Did you know that I have a nickname?
Pasty, man. Pasty.
Yeah. I'm actually here today to get rid of that nickname. I'm going to show you how I do what I do. How I make your forecast. And I am the brains behind this.
Do you paste it?
No, and I don't copy it either. Alright, as you can see here,
Wait, who started their nickname?
we have a computer. Okay, and this is Windows Movie Maker, obviously the program I'm using.
Obviously, you can actually see.
Alright, now here's what you do. You go on to this website here. This is weatheroffice.gc.ca. And basically what you do is you click on Analysis and Modeling. And we use numerical model charts here at Carbonear Weather to make your forecast. And what I do, this is called a notebook, this is called a pen, and this is called the pen is open. This is basically my mind. Alright, so on my mind, I write what I need to know, such as weather.
Oh my God, I don't see that.
My teachers know that I write really small, and that's really sloppy, actually. All right, so back to this. This is the website, and we have a 7-day forecast on Carbonear Weather. So what I do, I click on the regional model, animate. There's a lot of colors on this, really, and then you wait for it to load.
Okay. Whoa, look at all those colors.
And then you click play, and basically this time frame, today is, what's today, Friday?
Yeah.
Yeah, today is Friday, so you click play, and it will bring us all the way
Cool.
to Thursday at midnight, alright? And this little speck here is Newfoundland. And basically, these 4 charts, this one here is for precipitation. This one here is, there's a lot of isobars on this one. That's how I tell the direction of the wind. This one here, the strength of the wind, and this one here, the humidity. So, of course, we don't include humidity. This is the main one I use here to forecast thunderstorms, which is very lovely. And then, you may wonder, is it going to rain? Is it going to snow? Is it going to be mixed with? Well, I go into the shorter term, and I click on Animate. And once again, this is a map of Canada and the United States. Newfoundland is right here, and basically these green colors is rain, whatever the heck color that is, gold I guess, rain mixed with snow. Red is freezing rain, purple is ice pellets, and that disgusting blue color is snow. So you click play, and as you can see, we're not expecting any precipitation from now until Sunday at midnight. But if we do get any, it will be rain, alright? So that's how I decide.
You know how you said purple was ice pellets? Yeah, that's fuchsia.
Well, what's the difference? Alright, and anyway, that's how I figure out what kind of precipitation. Now, obviously there's a lot more in a forecast than just, is it going to rain or snow? And they are, you need to click on ensemble or ensemble? That's a good thing about a computer screen.
ENSEMBLE.
And then you click on cities in Canada, Mexico, and the United States of America. And Environment Canada does not offer a forecast for the Carbonear area, so I picked the nearest airport, which is YYT. St. John's, YYT. And when it loads. And as you can see here, for the next 14 days, I can make a forecast for 14 days just by looking at this.
So I'm smart now.
It has the temperature, it has the amount of precipitation expected, winds, and just how much cloud cover there will be out of 10. So you use it as a fraction. And then I can get the humidity, geopotential, wind pressure. I should say wind and pressure. The humidity, geopotential, wind speed at 200 HPA. And then the sea level pressure. And then finally, thickness from 1,000 to 500. That offers quite a bit of information. For the short-term forecast, extremely short-term, such as, is there a thunderstorm on the way right now? You got to click on radar. Then you wait for it to load. That is the best thing about the internet. They're like, wow, so slow.
My computer's crap.
Thank you, Eastlink. Oh, and of course, it's our fault for buying the computer in the first place. It's a Dell. Alright, and back here, this is the radar. Carbonear right around here, you just, watch the funny things roll across the screen, and there aren't any. yeah. So it's totally clear right now. Nothing is happening.
Which is good.
Yes, which is very good.
There's
And
just like a load of snow there.
you just use this chart here.
What's the purple one for?
That is either very strong, very, very strong heavy rain, or if it was a hook shape, it'd be a tornado. You know, thunderstorm, that type of thing. And of course, if you watch the news, this is really slow. If you watch the news, it just freezes. I mean, wow. If you watch the news, satellite, of course, satellite images very a common sight on the news. Okay, I just use these sometimes. There's a lot that goes into a forecast, and then in the summertime, or if there's a thunderstorm expected, I use Environment Canada's lightning detection network. You know, the same tools that other weather agencies use, and there's no lightning or anything like that. And as I'm going through, I make jot notes on this paper, and that is how I make your forecast. It is.
The only thing that's on this paper is weather and a scribble.
You put my head back in it.
Oh, right.
How long has my head been out of this, I wonder?
I don't know.
I should probably tell you. Is your hand tired?
No, not really.
She's holding the camera because
I'm actually holding the camera.
in other videos I mentioned how bad this camera is. This is what holds it
I
up.
just ripped it off.
This is what holds it up.
Oh, I have a question. Did you actually copy anything in this forecast and paste it? Who started that nickname?
I don't know.
Why'd you kick me?
I'm gonna hit the tripod.
Ow!
Alright, so just to prove that I don't copy and paste it, if you have any question about the weather whatsoever for me, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to comment on the video.
Ooh, pasty. Over here, pasty.
And I want you to comment on the video, ask me any question. I will answer it. If I do not answer it, it just goes to show that I'm liar. And if you go through this video and my head's not in it, I'm not going to redo it.
It's my fault, see?
See? I got one of those automated tripods.
It's me.
Anyway, that is how you make a forecast, and I've got to do that several times a day to make sure.
So just to make this clear, no pasting.
Yeah. I do this because I love the weather.
Pasting, no.
The only thing I copy is the warnings and special weather statements because under law you're not allowed to issue those unless you're Environment Canada anyway. So.
Actually smart enough to make his forecast? Yes.
Yes.
You can stop nodding now.
Now I hope my head is in this.
No pasty.
Bye-bye.